Welcome to 141 Sundew Road. This charming 3-bedroom, 2 full bath home with a 2-car garage, covered front entry, as well as covered rear patio. A nice interior. It's located in the Valley subdivision in Elgin, convenient to I-20 and I-77, Fort Jackson, and Northeast Columbia area amenities. So we're out front. You can see you have a nice 2-car garage with a nice wide driveway in front with ample parking. Nice side front yard with landscaping included as well. You have a covered entry here going into the front door. And as we enter, you have some wood look vinyl flooring that starts here in the foyer. So you have a nice size entry foyer that continues into the sort of side hall and full bathroom that serves the 2 bedrooms off the entry. And you also have these floors in the kitchen, I believe in the laundry area, also dining area as well. So you have a coat closet here right off the foyer as we come in. Nice size foyer area. Another, I believe, entry closet here as well. This one's more of a pantry style with shelving, or excuse me, a linen closet style with shelving. And then right off the foyer, the entry as well, you do have your 2 secondary bedrooms. So you have one here facing the front. Both of these do have ceiling fans. In fact, all of the bedrooms in the home have ceiling fans. You have a nice size closet here as well. Then you have a full bathroom, white cabinets and countertop, and a showering and tub. You have some built-in sort of niche corner shelving in the shower as well. Second bedroom faces the right side of the home if you're looking from the front. And then once past the foyer, we're out into the common area. So you have the nice living room, so a nice open floor plan designed with the family room open to, as you can see, the dining area and the kitchen here with the bar counter, ceiling fan in here. You can see those floors do pick back up in here. So you have a huge eat-in dining room area that extends all the way towards the back. We'll go ahead and take you out the back so you can see the backyard view. Sliding door out to the covered patio that we mentioned. So you have a nice covered patio space, and it looks out onto the backyard. So you see it going kind of sloped up a hill. Once you get past the flat part of the yard, you do have some neighbor fencing on one side and pretty open to the back. And then once you're back inside the kitchen, you can see you have that bar seating along the countertop edge. Beautiful granite countertops in here and white cabinets. And you have black appliances. There's a dishwasher, smooth top electric range, above range microwave, and the side-by-side refrigerator. You also have recessed or flush mount lighting in here. Kind of an eat-in dining area on this side as well. So you have plenty of dining space in addition to the pantry over here also. So a nice kitchen setup. And then last but not least, across from the kitchen and living area, or off of it rather, we have the primary suite. You have 2 windows in here. This one's also side facing. Of course, a ceiling fan, and you have 2 smaller walk-in closets in here. There's one on the right side that's sort of flank either side of the bathroom. This one is a bit bigger, as you can see. And then you have your primary bathroom suite, which is very nice, very large. You have a single vanity with the extra space underneath. You can slide a chair or a stool. You have a garden tub as well as a separate shower. You have that flooring in here as well. And then you also have a private water closet, the door that closes that off, and a hutch above. Just one last view back towards that side of the bathroom. So that completes our tour of this home. Again, the address is 141 Sundew Road in Elgin. You can find more information online at sc.purepm.co.